the past, change our mind. We don't need a finish line. Let's take this chance, don't think too deep. All those promises we could seem to give, I don't care where we go. Let's start from here. Let's start from here. I've never been the one to open that, but you always been the force within, the only one. From my cold heart, let's start from here. Lose the past, change our mind. We don't need the finish line. Let's take this chance, don't think too deep. All those promises, let's start from here. Lose the past, change your mind. We don't need a finish line. Let's take this chance, don't think too deep. All those promises we could seem to give, I don't care where we go. Let's start from here. It's amazing how you can speak right to my heart. Without saying a word, you can light up the dark. Try as I may, I can never explain what I hear when you don't say a thing. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. And the truth in your eyes saying you never leave me. The touch of your hand says you catch me wherever I fall. You say it best when you say nothing at all. All day long I can hear people talking out loud. But when you hold me near, you drown the crowd. Try as they may, they can never define what's been said between you, heart and mind. The smile You say it best when you say nothing at all. On this pain, don't leave me out in the rain. Come back and bring back my smile. Come and take these tears away. I need your arms to hold me now. The nights are so unkind. Remember those nights when I hold you beside me. Break my heart. Say you love me again. Undo this hurt you caused when you walked out the door and walked out of my life. Uncry these tears I cried so many nights. Break my heart, my heart. Take back the sad words goodbye. Bring back the joy to my life. Don't leave me here with these tears. Come and kiss this pain away. I can't forget the day you met. Time is so unkind, and life is so cruel.